Hello, everyone. Welcome to another episode of our A1 English listening practice. Today, we're going to practice some simple exercises together. This is perfect for beginners who are just starting to learn English. Are you ready? Let's begin. Hello, my name is Sarah. I want to talk about exercise today. I really like to exercise. Exercise is very important for our health. I exercise 3 times a week. What kind of exercise do I do? Well, I like to swim. Swimming is my favorite exercise. I go to the swimming pool near my house. It's not very big, but it's nice and clean. I usually go swimming after work. I finish work at 5 o'clock and then I go to the pool at 5:30. I swim for about 45 minutes. It feels so good. I don't go swimming alone. I go with my friend Emma. She likes swimming too. We meet at the pool and swim together. It's more fun to exercise with a friend. On days when I don't swim, I like to do other exercises. I do yoga twice a week. Yoga is very relaxing. I do yoga at home. I watch yoga videos on my computer and follow along. I have a special yoga mat. It's purple, my favorite color. Sometimes on weekends, I like to ride my bicycle. I have a blue bicycle. I ride in the park near my house. The park is beautiful, especially in spring when the flowers bloom. I also like to walk. Walking is simple but very good exercise. I walk to work every day. My office is not far from my home, about 20 minutes walking. When the weather is nice, walking to work is very pleasant. Exercise helps me feel good. When I exercise, I have more energy. I sleep better at night too. My doctor says exercise is good for my heart and my mind. I eat healthy food too. Healthy food and exercise go together. For breakfast, I usually eat fruit and yogurt. For lunch, I eat a sandwich or salad. For dinner, I eat vegetables and chicken or fish. Before I exercise, I always do warm-up exercises. Warm-up exercises are important. They help prevent injuries. After exercise, I do cool-down exercises. Then I take a shower. Last week, I visited the gym for the first time. There were so many different machines. I didn't know how to use them. My friend Tom helped me. He showed me how to use some of the machines. He told me to start slowly, just 10 minutes on my first day. He said rest is important too. I think I'll go to the gym once a week now. What about you? Do you exercise? What kind of exercise do you like? If you don't exercise regularly, you should try. Start with something simple, like walking for 15 minutes every day. Then you can try other exercises. Oh, look at the time. It's getting late. I need to prepare for tomorrow. Thank you for listening to me talk about exercise. Remember, exercise is important for a healthy life. Well done. I hope you enjoyed this listening practice. Remember, regular practice is the key to improving your English listening skills. Join us next time for another A1 English listening practice. Goodbye for now.